In your preferred browser, search for Google Drive download for PC and open this first link. Click on download drive for desktop, and here we can see the Google Drive exe file is now downloading. And now it's time to install Google Drive. So go to your file explorer, go to download folder, find out Google Drive setup.exe file, double click this file to launch the installer. In here you can turn on add an application shortcut to your desktop option from here, and you can turn on or off add desktop shortcuts to Google Docs, Sheets and Slides. So in my case I'm going to uncheck both of them and finally clicking on install, and here we can see Google Drive successfully installed. Clicking on launch, clicking on get started, and now we have to sign in. So click on sign in and you directly jump into your browser. So you can choose a Google account to sign in, or you can use another account by clicking this option. So I'm just selecting my Google account to sign in, clicking on sign in. Once success, I'm going back to Google Drive, and here it's time to add those folders we want to automatically back up to Google Drive from our computer. So click on add folder, and now go ahead and select one or multiple folders you want to back up. So in my case I'm just selecting this photos folder, for example, and clicking on select folder. So here we can see the photos folder selected. If you want, you can add more folders here, then click on next, click on got it. If you want, you can back up your photos and videos to your Google Photos automatically from here. To do that, you have to check photos and videos. So all of your computer photos and videos will automatically back up to your Google Photos. In my case, I'm going to uncheck and clicking on skip. And only this folder will sync to my Google Drive. So I added only this folder. If you added multiple folders here, you will be able to see all your folders. Now finally click on next, click on next, and click on open drive. And that's it. As you can see, all my selected folders items are starting to upload or sync to my Google Drive. So here I'm clicking on view all, and here we can see all of my photos or files are showing. So now to open your Google Drive folder, click on open drive folder, and you directly jump into your Google Drive folder, or in your file manager in this left hand menu you find Google Drive. So come to this Google Drive, open my drive, and here you will find all your Google Drive files and folders. So that's how you can actually automatically back up or upload our files from PC to Google Drive. Thanks for watching.